Move that out the way. So we got the middle and the right. The middle and the right. The middle from last night. The right from last night. Get our random up here. We'll go 3 times like we always do. Figure out which side we want to do. The middle and the right. Good luck, guys. First time, got the middle. Second time, got the right. Third time, going with the middle tonight. Going with the middle. Going with the middle. So that means we'll do the right side on Sunday. Got some tier 1 coming on Friday, so we'll do the right side on Sunday. So there's that middle. There's that middle one. Middle number 3. Middle number 4. Good luck, guys. Box 1. So after museum tonight, we will do Prism. After museum, we will do Prism. Let's turn that over. There we go. After museum, we will do Prism football. So tomorrow night, all brand new stuff. Got Spectra basketball, Elite football. Good luck, guys. Starting off, you got a 2-colored baseball, number 275, Gavin Cecchini. That's a New York Met, I believe, right? Or no, Gavin. I don't know, we'll look. World Baseball Classic, Gavin Cecchini, 2-colored, number 275. Got Yu Darvish, David Ortiz, Buster Posey, and Houseburg. Got on card Baltimore, number 250, Adam Jones. Adam Jones for the Orioles. Got Bryce Harper, Roger Maris, Miguel Cabrera, and Jackie Robinson. Quad relic, 3 jerseys and a bat for 99. Daniel Murphy. 3 jerseys and a bat. Daniel Murphy. Got Chris Bryant, Brooks Robinson, Gary Sanchez, and Troy Tulowitzki. Triple relic auto, number 2, 199, a Cardinals, Matt Carpenter. St. Louis Cardinals, 199, Matt Carpenter. Got Jake Arrieta, Mike Stanton, Carlos Gonzalez, and number 50, Cal Ripken Jr. Finishing out box 1. Number 2. Box 2. Got quad with a 3-color patch, 75, Paul Goldschmidt. Diamondback, 75, Paul Goldschmidt. Got Johnny Bench, David Wright, Almides Diaz, Tyler Glass now. White Sox, number 2, $2.99, Carson Fulmer. White Sox, Carson Fulmer. Got a Sandy Koufax, Anthony Rizzo, Tyler Glasnow, and Tanaka, the 99. Single color, number 250, the Giants, Jeff Samardzija. Giants, number 50, Jeff Samardzija. Got a Robinson Cano, Verlander, Tanaka, and Carl Yastrzemski. Last pack, box 2. Dual patch auto, 3 color to 25, Braves, Freddie Freeman. Freddie Freeman, number 25 for the Braves. Got Clayton Kershaw, Matt Kemp, Yastrzemski, and Anthony Rizzo. Finish now, box 2. Number 3. Box number 3. Got a 2-colored patch for the Royals, the 50, Alcides Escobar. Royals, Alcides Escobar. Got a Mark McGwire, Hunter Pence, Eric Hosmer, and Will Myers. Dual Relic, number 299, Detroit, Ian Kinsler. Ian Kinsler, Detroit Tigers. Got a Washington's Max Scherzer, Ken Griffey, Noah Syndergaard, and 150, Adrian Beltre. On card for the Royals, $2.99, Kelvin Herrera. Kelvin Herrera. Got a Lindor, Kintamite, Dansby Swanson, and Steven Strasburg. Quad with a 2-colored patch, 25's Clayton Kershaw. Clayton Kershaw for the Dodgers. Got a Javier Baez, Daniel Murphy, Frank Thomas, and number to 50, Randy Johnson. Seattle Mariner uniform. Number 4. Number 4. And then we'll move on to Prism Football. Got a New York Mets on card 99, Steven Matz. Steven Matz. Got Chris Sale, David Dahl, Mike Trout, Matt Kemp. Quad, Seattle 99, Felix Hernandez. Got Mike Trout, the Angels. Got Will Meyer, Steven Strasburg, and the 150, Nolan Arenado. Got triple, number 199, Trevor Story, Colorado Rockies. Trevor Story, Colorado Rockies. Got a Nolan Ryan, Fog Ultimate, Adam Jones, Clayton Kershaw. Last pack. Got nice patch 3-color, number to 35. Part of that Orioles, it looks like. Part of the O. Chris Davis. Chris Davis for the Orioles, number to 35. Got Astros. Alex Bregman, Jose Altuve, Babe Ruth, and 99, Justin Verlander. Finishing out Museum Baseball. So that means that your auto patch is somewhere in that 4 right ones that we will do on Sunday night. We'll do Sunday night.